Hello guys, namaste sabaijanalai since this is my very first vlog in my YouTube channel. So yeah, welcome to the journey of my life. Your channel machi I'm going to show how my life looks like as a cabin crew. Yeah, mo mero daily vlogs haru halne chu है. In and all short मेरो life ma के गर्छु भन्ने हाल्ने छु.
आजदेखि I'm starting my YouTube channel as I have asked in the poll. Which language should I do? Everybody prefer both, so I will be filming in both the languages, English and Nepali. So yeah, I live in Hongkong. It was a dead tiring flight since I'm traveling from yesterday from Sikkim to Bagdogra, Siliguri, then Bagdogra to Delhi. Delhi I landed 2:30 p.m. and the entire day, the entire night I was at Delhi airport. My departure for Cathay Pacific Airlines to Hong Kong was around 1:30 in the morning. It was a red-eye flight. So it was total utter tired. Sorry, the sound. So they opened it I just want to take a fresh shower and then sleep. So yeah, stay tuned. Till I'll show you lah. I don't know, this is my first vlog. Let's see how it goes.
यहाँसम्म चाहिँ तपाईँले देखिहाल्नुभयो होला कि म हङकङ आइपुगिसकेको छु all the way from India to start a very fresh chapter of my life, a new journey of my life. So yeah, this is just day one. यहाँ म होटल आइपुगिसकेँ. So I have checked in already. So this is just day one. Stay tuned for all my life journey. I'll be updating in this chapter. So bye guys.